Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today in this easy tutorial for beginners. I will show you my method how to shape a realistic eye. Let me show you the products that I am using in this video. So the first tool is this mechanical eraser that I got from Amazon. So this is how it works. The second tool is this mechanical pencil which only cost rupees 10. The third one is this white pen of Uniball. Now, these are some pencils. So, charcoal 4B, 2B, HB, 6B, and 4B. And in last, this makeup brush. So, first of all, you need to draw this eye. You can take your time, see your reference carefully, and draw according to it. After this, I start with shading. I used to shade gradually from the lightest values to the darker one. I use HB or F pencil to create the first light layer as base for further shading, and I use blend it with a soft paint brush. In order to add some depth to the eye, I used to add some shadows. I use 2B pencil to add a little darker values. In this case, the light is coming from the top, so the shadows lies under the upper eyelids. So now I'm using 4B pencil to make it a little more darker. Now I am coloring the pupil from charcoal pencil. You can also use 6B pencil if you want. Now the part comes of finishing, so I am using this white pen of Uniball to color this, and now I am using 6B pencil for the eyelashes. I am planning to make another video for eyelashes, so in that video I will explain you how to make these because these are difficult and most beginners are not able to make it. They are curvy and they merge into one another, and this is a whole another process, so I will explain you how to make eyelashes in another video. Do comment that I should make that video or not. And the one thing that is most important while making eyelashes is that keep in mind that your pencil is sharp so that you can make thin lines. So try to make as much thin eyelashes as you can. So I'm about to finish my sketch. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Do subscribe, and I'm also having an art account on my Instagram. So do check out that also. I will provide you the link in the description, and I will also provide you the link of all the products that I'm using in this video in the description.